I'm aware that in particular for one large business entity, the product has been taken off the shelf in Jamaica.
Unable to divulge further details on this boycott, but Trade and Industry Minister Paul Ogobiskun says it's far from an isolated case.
You're not going to see the figures because this is happening over just 2 weeks, but I have been in touch on a one-on-one basis with persons whose goods have not been imported or persons to whom sentiments have been expressed that at this time we're not buying from you.
The MIT's Observatory of Economic Complexity shows Jamaica imports $730 million worth of goods from TNT.
Certainly as a Minister of Trade and Industry, disappointment on my part remains the fact that Jamaicans have reacted and retaliated in response to a non-trade matter.
William Mafood, president of the private sector organization of Jamaica, called for the boycott after 12 Jamaican nationals were deported from TNT in March. Mr. Mafood is chairman of Wisinco Group, Jamaica's largest manufacturer and distributor. Petroleum is the main import from TNT, but many other items stock Jamaica's shelves, like water, cereal, rolled tobacco, paper, plastics, and cleaning products. And get this, $1 million worth of coconut oil.
The spectrum of goods produced by Trinidad and Tobago is very wide, and therefore there are things that the Jamaican needs and they obviously would buy from us because of the competitive advantage in buying from within CARICOM.
But trade is a two-way street. $15.9 million in goods are imported from Jamaica annually.
We're one region, and we really do have to to step back and take a look at the position that we are in today as a region economically. And therefore, the approaches must be to work together, to synergize, and so that at the end of the day, it works to the best advantage of the region.
Urvashi Tuarab Narayan, CNC3.